In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Robinhood Legend. However, there's a little twist here. You don't actually need to download Robinhood Legend. Robinhood Legend is a browser-based desktop trading platform. This means it runs directly in your web browser, so you don't need to install it like a traditional Windows or Mac application. Let's walk through how to access it. First, open a web browser on your computer. You can use any browser you are comfortable with, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Just make sure it's up to date. An updated browser ensures the best performance and security for the platform. Next, go to the official Robinhood Legend page. Type in the URL robinhood.com/us/en/legend. Press enter. You should now see the Robinhood Legend homepage. From there, sign in with your Robinhood account. Enter your username and password as you would normally. This is crucial because it connects you to your investment portfolio, allowing you to manage your trades efficiently. Once you're signed in, follow the on-screen setup instructions. This will help you unlock and customize your workspace. The setup process is straightforward and user-friendly. Customizing your workspace is important because it allows you to tailor the platform to your trading style. You can choose which tools and information you want to see at a glance. Now, if you don't have a Robinhood account yet, don't worry. You can still get started. Visit the Robinhood Legend page as mentioned earlier. Look for the option to unlock Legend. Click on it and you will be prompted to apply for a Robinhood investing account. The application process is simple and usually quick. After your account is approved, return to Legend and complete the setup. This ensures you're all set to start trading. Let's talk about some features of Robinhood Legend. The platform offers advanced charting and technical indicators. These tools are essential for analyzing market trends and making informed decisions. With customizable layouts, you can organize your workspace as you prefer. You can set up multiple charts and watch lists to keep track of various stocks and markets simultaneously. One of the standout features is the ability to trade directly from charts and options chains. This feature saves you time by allowing you to act quickly on market movements. Real-time market data updates keep you informed of any changes as they happen. This is important because in trading, timing is everything. Remember, Robinhood Legend is a web-based platform. Robinhood does not offer a separate downloadable desktop application for Legend. This makes it convenient and accessible from any computer with internet access. Just log in through your browser and you're ready to trade. It's that simple. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this guide helpful. With Robinhood Legend, you have powerful trading tools at your fingertips. Just remember, staying informed and comfortable with the platform can make a big difference in your investment journey. Happy trading, and until next time, take care.